Okay guys, welcome to my channel NRJ Sharing Knowledge. So today we are going to learn how to input the data from our local. So for that we are going to drag this input data tool, and this we are getting the connection or file or the database. So we are going to import the data from the local. So first of all, if you are new to this Alteryx, by itself in the recent you will get to connect with your tutorial, Alteryx tutorial, to get the data. Means by itself it is going to take the path of your data where it is kept in Alteryx. For the example, for the data set. Okay, so this is the path where I have installed, and so I got that path of that data set by itself. See user nrj, then update a local Alteryx sample. So here you can if you click, then by itself it is going to take the data, but manually I want to go in the files and just select file, and it is going to the all the data which we are having by itself. Means we are not going to take any data set from any online like Google and all. Just will while installing only we'll get the data set. Okay, so like here I'm going to take this tutorial data only. You can take any data, all are the CSV files and all. So see, this tutorial data is already a database. Okay, so we are going to take any XML data, like just we open this file. See, it is the Alteryx database file format, no problem. You can take this data, and now we run it. See, yeah, successfully we imported the data from the local. Okay, and now if you want to prepare this data, okay, so just we go to the preparation, and we can take any tool. Okay, like autofill, data cleansing, filter, and many more. So I will teach all about this tool one by one. So as of now, just I want to use the select tool. Now I want that which column should be displayed here. So like I want user ID, last name, and gender. I don't want to display any confidential things like birth date, registration, email, country. We can take it. Okay, so that is enough. And if you want to change any name, like rename, we want user ID, instead of that I can use ID, first name, then last name, gender, and country. Okay, so now you see we are going to run this workflow, and see the selected part means the columns which we have selected in the select tool, it is going to display here, and user ID, instead of that ID is displayed. So guys, this way we can use this input data, and we can prepare the data with these all the tools like the preparation, join, transformation, parse, and many more. So hope you like this video, and I think you also go make this video come some sense, like how to use the input data and the tools in the Alteryx. Okay, so thank you guys, and please do like, share, and subscribe, and support me so that I can create more videos regarding Alteryx tutorial. Okay guys, thank you.